All right, it's Easter morning, and we've got a sweet one on the table. Our favorite chef, Frank Terranova from Classic Cooking, is here with.
Good morning, Mario. This is just a simple. Actually, it's an Amaroni cherry panna cotta. The panna cotta is the ingredients are minuscule at best. Panna cotta just means cold milk.
Okay.
Okay, so what I did was I started some sugar. And actually, this is a buttermilk variety. So that's what the recipe calls for. I'm just going to get the heat adjusted a little bit. Come on, son. All right. Sugar and some heavy cream. We're going to add a little bit of orange, because you can actually see the orange in the outside of that. The orange gives it a nice, but you can put lemon, but orange works out really well. Then we're going to add a little bit of vanilla extract. And then once this comes to a simmer, shut it off. Okay. This is gelatin. The gelatin, make sure you measure this out correctly. The gelatin, which is put in water to soften, because you always have to take granulated, soften it in water or a liquid. So at this point, you want to make sure the liquid is a little cool, because now we're going to add just straight buttermilk. Because if you put buttermilk in and you bring this to a simmer, when it starts to gel, it will absolutely separate. Okay. And I buy these. These are very, very cheap. You can get these anywhere. And these are a 4 ounce, almost a 4 ounce cup. You put it in your refrigerator. It's going to take about 5 or 6 hours. Okay. And then you just dip it in a little bit of water, flip it over, and you unmold it. I mean, you're going to see how delicate that. There's no structure to that.
Oh no, it's very.
That is really that's. Eat half a dozen of those in the morning. Those are just simple. The cherries are really.
My gosh. It's so sweet. It's good.
Yeah, these are actually the cherries are actually wild. They come from I believe Sicily. This is what I use for the when I make the zapalas.
Oh yeah, the ones I didn't get.
Oh, did I?
I saw them on Facebook.
I hooked up with my neighbors. They hate them.
This is so good.
Isn't that nice? It's very light.
I create a lot of these. Yeah,
well, I got 2 more, so you can go crazy after.
What do we call it?
Actually, this is Amaroni cherry buttermilk panna cotta.
Recipes on our website.
Terranova.com.
We'll see you next week.
Yeah, we'll be here.